Hello everyone, we're going to be checking out the 000.exe, which I've grabbed from the malware repo master. Right here, check right here, you look here, and we're going to be checking out the 000.exe. Damn it. Well, let's try to get that version, I guess. Let's see. .NET framework. I don't know why a lot of these viruses would want .NET framework. All right, that's all finished. Let's click out of this and let's make a snapshot. All right, snapshot taken. Take this out. Now let's finally get to it. Interesting. Oh, and we're off. Seemed like there was this forest right there. Starting Windows. Let's see. What kind of destruction it made. Let's also disconnect our internet. I see. Interesting. Very interesting. Whoa. Seems like the background loaded. No. This thing seems to spam this over and over. Can't seem to close. And task manager has been disabled. Nice. Well, that's pretty much it for I'd say, your 000.exe virus. So, any questions? Let me know. Anything else what to do? Anything else you want me to do? Let me know in the comments.